Another update. Now, okay, we got all that wood for the frame of the tub. So all this is done now. Turn on some lights here. There's the tub now. It's almost ready. That is also ready. All that's done. Now look what we got here. The hardie backer board is on. There it is right there. Now we're completing the frame. Completing the frame right there for the tub. Okay. That's almost done. This is all drywalled in already. That sheet belongs over there. So I've got all that is done. Almost done. So all we need to do now is frame that right there. After we frame that, and then we'll do the pan liner right here. Right there. And then sheetrock the rest of the stuff. After we can do the connection, then we can sheetrock everything. After we do the pan, then all the drywall be done. Then we need tape and bed. And then the texture. And then the primer. And it's time to tile everything up. And after that, the trim guy comes, does all the trim, and we're finished.